It is possible that a warm cup of herbal tea might be more effective than you might imagine when the cold and flu season arrives. Since ancient times, people have relied on these natural treatments to alleviate the discomfort of sore throats, relieve congestion, strengthen the immune system, and provide solace when they are feeling under the weather. In this video, I will go over 7 of the most powerful herbal teas for relieving the symptoms of the common cold and influenza, as well as explain how you may simply create these drinks at home. Now, let's get started. Number 1.
Chamomile tea.
Chamomile relaxes the body, lowers inflammation, and encourages peaceful sleep, all of which are essential while you are battling an illness. Antispasmodic characteristics that are mild can help alleviate discomfort in the stomach, and antioxidants that are present in it strengthen the immune system and speed up the healing process. Chamomile flowers that have been dried should be added to 1 tablespoon of boiling water in order to prepare it. Keep the lid on and let it steep for 5 minutes. After that, strain it and enjoy it before going to bed for a restful night's sleep and quicker recovery. Number 2.
Thyme tea.
Thyme is a good natural cure for respiratory infections because it has a high concentration of chemicals that are antibacterial and antiviral. In addition to protecting the immune system, it alleviates coughing, removes mucus from the chest, and calms discomfort in the throat. 1 teaspoon of dried thyme should be added to 1 cup of water that is boiling in order to prepare it. Keep the lid on and let it steep for 10 minutes. A robust tea that alleviates congestion and promotes better breathing is created by straining the mixture and adding honey to it in order to neutralize the strong flavor. Number 3.
Lemon balm tea.
When you have a cold that is leaving you feeling restless or exhausted, lemon balm is the right remedy for you since it helps you sleep, relieves anxiety, and has a moderate antiviral effect. Additionally, it alleviates tension headaches, promotes digestion, and softly raises your mood, which is very useful when you are feeling down due to an illness. Either 1 tablespoon of dried lemon balm or a handful of fresh leaves were used in the preparation of this dish. Steep in boiling water for 5 minutes, and then add a slice of lemon for an additional dose of vitamin C and a blast of citrus that is very refreshing. Number 4.
Ginger tea.
Ginger, which is a root, is a natural anti-inflammatory and antiviral agent that helps minimize irritation to the throat, alleviates nausea, and warms the body. Additionally, it enhances blood circulation, which quickens the healing process and strengthens the immune system, making it more efficient in warding off infections. To prepare it, slice 5 to 6 pieces of fresh ginger into thin slices and then add them to 2 cups of water that is boiling. Maintain a low simmer for 10 minutes. A relaxing tea that works wonders during the cold and flu season may be made by straining the tea and adding honey and lemon for additional calming power. Number 5. Echinacea tea. During the flu season, echinacea is one of the most recommended herbal treatments because of its ability to reduce the length of time that colds last and to strengthen the immune system. There is a reduction in symptoms such as sore throat and congestion as a result of its stimulation of white blood cell activity, which helps the body fight infections more quickly. For preparation, combine 1 teaspoon of dried echinacea with 10 minutes of steeping in hot water, after which the mixture should be strained. When combined with ginger or lemon, it creates a potent therapeutic combination that increases the taste and strengthens the immune system. Number 6. Peppermint tea. Menthol, which is found in peppermint, is a natural decongestant that helps expand airways, lowers coughing, and gives cooling relief for congestion. Peppermint includes menthol. Furthermore, it alleviates headaches, calms the digestive system, and revitalizes the body when you are experiencing feelings of heaviness and sluggishness as a result of a cold. To make it, you can either use a handful of fresh peppermint leaves or 1 tablespoon of dried peppermint leaves. Allow to steep in boiling water for 5 to 7 minutes. Then, filter the liquid and take slow, deliberate sips to get instant comfort and clarity. Number 7.
Licorice root tea.
Due to its significant antiviral characteristics, licorice root is particularly beneficial in alleviating the symptoms of colds and influenza. It also helps to coat the throat, which makes coughing easier. Your body will have more energy to recuperate as a result of its ability to decrease inflammation in the respiratory system, alleviate hoarseness, and promote the health of the adrenal glands. A cup of water that is already boiling should be combined with 1 teaspoon of dried licorice root in order to create it. 5 to 7 minutes should be spent simmering. In order to obtain a treatment that is naturally pleasant and reassuring, drain the mixture and drink it warm. Simple, all-natural, and highly efficient, these 7 herbal teas are a great method to combat the common cold and influenza. In what way is it the best? Within your kitchen, you most likely already possess a few of these components. Instead of reaching for the artificial syrups the next time you feel under the weather, you should try a cup of herbal tea instead. It will help you feel better. To begin, which of the teas would you want to try first? Please let me know in the comments section below. In addition, if you found this video to be useful, please remember to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who might benefit from a natural solution right now.